Once upon a time, Comma Carly was on her way to work when all of a sudden she felt like she had been punched in the chest. She couldn't breathe. But all was well because soon after Comma Carly could breathe again and she went on her way. But wait, it was happening again. She fell to the ground and was passed out for more than 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
When she woke up, she realized what was happening. Someone was using the comma after an introductory adverb clause incorrectly. Oh no! How could this be happening? She thought she taught the world of journalism so well, but now her entire life is a lie. She was wrong. If only people had listened to her the first time. The first word of a sentence must be a subordinate conjunction. But wait, maybe people didn't know what those were. A subordinate conjunction is a word such as after, although, if only, but there are so many more. And clearly, everyone already knew that a subject and verb must come before a comma. That's just common sense. Maybe the people of the world need an example. The right way to use a comma after an introductory adverb clause is, as long as I ate the cake, my sisters couldn't eat any. The subject is I because I ate the cake. The verb is ate because, well, again, I got to eat the cake. And the subordinate conjunction is as long as. Let's do another one. Once Kesha walked into the room with her friends, the party could finally begin. In this sentence, Kesha is the subject, walked is the verb, and once is the subordinate conjunction. However, if Kesha walked out of the room, the party would have to stop, and until she came back, the party was no longer a party, meaning that a party would exist and not exist at the same time. This is just mind-boggling. Now, for all you newbies out there who are probably very confused, this is commonly known as Kesha's quantum party, and it has stumped theoretical physicists for decades. Everyone must know that every time you misuse the comma after an introductory adverb clause, Comma Carly gets punched in the chest by an imaginary fist. Your imaginary fist. So please remember that the first word of a sentence must be a subordinate conjunction, and a subject and verb must come before the comma. Make it your destiny to be the theoretical physicist to solve Kesha's quantum party, and don't be the one to punch Comma Carly in the chest. Use the comma after an introductory adverb clause correctly. The end.